Vitamin B12 deficiency symptoms and treatment. Vitamin B12 deficiency symptoms and treatment options. Vitamin B12 is a water-soluble vitamin that is found in meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products. It is also available as a dietary supplement. In the United States, most people get enough vitamin B12 from food and don't need to take a supplement. But some people may not be able to absorb enough vitamin B12 from food. This includes older adults and those who have had surgery to remove part of their stomach, gastrectomy, or intestines, celiac disease. Symptoms of vitamin B12 deficiency. Vitamin B12 deficiency is often caused by diet, stomach problems, or a lack of intrinsic factor. Pernicious anemia, anemia with symptoms of tiredness and weakness. Anemia is a medical condition where the body has less than the normal amount of healthy red blood cells or hemoglobin. This is due to an inadequate production, excessive loss, or both. Neuropathy, numbness, tingling in the hands and feet. Neuropathy is a condition that is caused by damage to the peripheral nervous system. This damage can be caused by diabetes, alcoholism, or certain cancer treatments such as chemotherapy. Symptoms of neuropathy include numbness and tingling in the hands and feet. Ataxia, loss of balance due to nerve damage. Ataxia is a condition of the motor system, nerves and muscles, caused by damage to the cerebellum or its connections. This damage can be caused by a number of different reasons including alcoholism, vitamin deficiency, head trauma, or infections such as Lyme disease. Symptoms include loss of balance, slurred speech, and an unsteady walk. Memory loss. Vitamin B12 deficiency. Memory loss is a common symptom of vitamin B12 deficiency. Symptoms of the condition include forgetfulness and difficulty concentrating. A lack of vitamin B12 can lead to a decline in cognitive function, which can make it difficult to focus on what one is doing. Confusion. Vitamin B12 deficiency. Vitamin B12 deficiency is a disorder that can develop in many people, and it usually leads to anemia. It's not hard to understand why this deficiency is such a problem. The most common form of vitamin B12 is found in animal products. Vegans, vegetarians, and those who have vegans are at risk of vitamin B12 deficiency. How to prevent vitamin B12 deficiency. Vitamin B12 deficiency is a condition where the body does not have enough vitamin B12. It is usually caused by an inadequate intake of vitamin B12 or a lack of intrinsic factor, which is needed to absorb the vitamin from food. You can prevent it by eating foods that are rich in vitamin B12 like meat and fish. You can also take a supplement that contains the recommended daily dose of vitamin B12 for adults. Vitamin B12 deficiency treatment at home. Vitamin B12 deficiency is a common problem that can affect anyone. It can result in anemia, fatigue, and other symptoms. The most common causes are dietary deficiencies as well as gastrointestinal disorders. In this video, we will go over some home remedies for treating vitamin B12 deficiency at home. 1. Vitamin B12 shots. A doctor may prescribe you a vitamin B12 shot if you have severe symptoms of the deficiency or if your blood test shows low levels of the vitamin. 2. Vitamin supplements. You may take a daily supplement that contains this vitamin or get it from foods like eggs and fish. 3. Folate treatment. Folic acid has been shown to help with some cases of anemia related to vitamin B.